Hi guys, let me show you how to update your AMD graphics drivers. You have two ways to do this. Now, open your web browser and all of the links are going to be in the description down below. The first one is this one, where you have the option to choose Auto Detect and Install for Windows 10 or 11. This software right here is going to look all the hardware that you have installed in your PC and to download and install the drivers that you need. The second option is that you go underneath here and you can select your graphics, choose the model of graphic card that you have, and then click into Submit. Here you want to select the operating system that you have installed. For example, into Windows 11, you want to click in there, and here what I recommend you guys is to download the latest version right here. Now, the easiest way is to use the Auto Detect and Install, but that is personal preference. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like, and guys, see you on the next time. Bye bye.